and I just noticed the actual update. Comes now, Jeremy McLymont, Esquire, and files this notice of appearance as co-counsel for the above named defendant. Counsel acknowledges responsibility to advise the defendant of the right to appeal and to file a timely notice of appeal if requested to do so by the defendant. Counsel hereby states that his appearance is in conformity with the requirements of Local General Rule 11.1 and the special rules governing the admission and practices of attorneys. Okay, so this gentleman, I will say his name again. His name is Jeremy McLymont, Esquire. He is from the Asilia, that is Asilia law firm, and he is in Miami, Florida. Florida bar number 1010776. Okay, so I will post the court document soon, but why not take a look at Mr. Jeremy McLemont. Let's see what he is about. So we're going to go look him up and give a little background of him. So let's give him a look up. Oh, there's also one more court document after this. So I'm going to go over that as well. But right now, let's look into Jeremy McLemont. Okay. Oh, okay. He's an African American lawyer. Okay. Yep, that's his bar number. Jeremy Alexander McLemont. It looks like it's a small law firm of 2 to 5 people. It shows. We fight for justice, integrity, and civil rights. We defend you. Okay, okay. We'll look more into him at a later time. Don't have that much time here. But again, his name is Jeremy. Oh yeah, he kind of. Yeah. Did you look into him, girl? Yes. Okay. So that's that. Now let me look at the other court. There was another court document. Hold on. Oh, motion to appear pro hac vice. Let's see who what this is. All right. In accordance to local rules 4-B, other rules governing the admission, practice, peer review, and discipline of attorneys of the United States District Court of the Southern District of Florida, the undersigned respectfully moves for the admission pro hac vice of Rhonda Dixon, Esquire of the law firm of Dixon Justice Center. Okay, so this woman is also at the Asilia law firm. Okay, so it says Jeremy McLemont moves this court to enter in order for Rhonda Dixon to appear before this court on behalf of Milagro Elizabeth Cooper for all purposes relating to the proceedings in the above styled matter and directing the clerk to provide notice of electronic filings to Rhonda Dixon. And then it just gives a certification of Rhonda Dixon. And it has been ordered and adjourned already by Cecilia Altanonga. Okay. So those are the two representations that Milagro Elizabeth Cooper has gotten. So Rhonda Dixon and then Jeremy McLemont. Okay. Those are the two names of her new legal counsel. Now let's look up Rhonda Dixon. We've already looked up Jeremy, so let's look at Rhonda. Let's see what Rhonda is about. Let me see if she's actually on here. Okay, let's look at his staff. Oh, damn. Wow, he got tattoos all over his face, but damn. Girl, y'all gotta go look at that baby. Okay. Let me make sure this is the correct Rhonda. But this look like this is also another criminal defense lawyer. This person is from California. She has been fighting for justice for the past 30 years. So she has 30 plus years under her belt. But let me make sure this is the right woman. I don't. Okay, so her Florida bar. So let me just go over this. Rhonda Dixon. Her Florida, well, her California bar is 136,858. Okay, 136,858. So let me just make sure that this is the correct. Oh, yep, that's her. Rhonda Renee Dixon. This one is from California. Okay, so we'll have a little homework. She looked mixed. This lady looked mixed to me. She looked Hispanic. She looks mixed, but she fights crime. She fights for criminal justice. So, Chad, go look at that other one, girl. I was going over Milagro's new legal counsel. She has two people. She has one from California and then one that's actually in Florida. Okay. The one that's in Florida, his name is Jeremy McLymont. And then the one that she has from California, her name is Rhonda Dixon. Okay. I'm currently on lunch right now, so I can't actually go and pull up because, normally if there's a new lawyer, I will actually pull it up and I'll give you a little background of that particular attorney. So I'll probably have to wait and do this later on tonight because I don't have my equipment with me to, do all this. Yeah, she has criminal lawyers. Why didn't they speak in court the other day? Well, at the time, she hadn't retained them yet. And that's what she was speaking of in the status conference slash discovery hearing that she will be obtaining them by the end of the week. And well, today is Thursday, so it's in there. I'm not sure if we even have great lawyers in Texas. Besides, I know y'all hear about Bugsby all the time, but you never hear many lawyers coming out of the state of Texas. I'm just going to be honest. You hear great lawyers come from elsewhere. I don't know. That's a question that I can't answer. I have no idea if she's paying them. Well, to double back for a few people just now joining in, it seems that Megan is now able to move forward now that Milagro has now obtained legal counsel. Uh, I mentioned two names, one from California and then one from actual Florida. So the one that's in California, her name is Rhonda Dixon. Her California state bar number is 136,858. Okay. And then she looked mixed, Hispanic. And then you have the one that's in Florida. His name is Jeremy McLymont. Okay. And his Florida bar is 1010776. And he has a small law firm right there in Florida. So she has obtained new legal counsel. And both of them, well, one fight for criminal defense, while the other, Acelia, he fights for criminal defense and civil rights. And then they said, we'll start your case consultation free if retained. So consultation was free, but so much as far as what they charge per hour, that I do not have the answer to. But I just wanted to come on, give y'all a little feedback, let y'all know what's going on, and then I'll post this soon. But as I mentioned, right now I'm on lunch, so I'll have to wait till later on tonight. and then I'll get this to y'all. I will post this. That way y'all can take a look at it. And I'll holler at y'all later. And yeah, I reported that page who trying to impersonate me. So we'll see what happened with that. Let me find out who the fuck that is. Hmm. But anyway, I'll holler at y'all later. That page has been reported for sitting up here trying to act like they're me, impersonation, and I'm pretty sure other people have reported it as well. But just to come out here and let y'all know, it has been reported. You thought you was getting my spot? Well, who the fuck was getting you? All right. But I hope y'all have a good day. I hope y'all have a great day. And hope y'all lead with integrity. But until then, just wait till tonight. I'll post this once I get home and y'all have it so y'all can read it for yourselves. All right. All right. Take care.